Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the headliner from a VW Passat. First, always disconnect your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the A, B, and C pillar trim pieces. These are often held by clips and screws, so use a trim removal tool to avoid damage. Finally, unfasten the sun visors and grab handles from the roof. Take your time with each step to ensure no components are broken. Once the pillar trims, sun visors, and grab handles are off, focus on the overhead console. Gently unclip this unit from the roof. You'll find several wiring harnesses connected to it, which need to be carefully unplugged. Also, remove any dome light covers and disconnect their electrical connections. Keep track of all screws and clips to make reinstallation smoother later on. With all attached components removed, the headliner board should now be mostly free. Check for any hidden clips or fasteners still holding it in place and remove them. Now, gently lower the headliner from the roof, being careful not to crease or bend the board, as it can be fragile. The easiest way to remove it from the car is often through the front passenger door, with the seat reclined. When you're ready to reinstall or put in a new headliner, ensure the roof surface is completely clean and free of old adhesive or debris. Apply a high-quality headliner adhesive evenly for a strong, lasting bond. Work slowly and carefully to align the headliner perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.